Good day, learners. Welcome to Diction class with Tutor Dolly. We have letters, names, sounds, and examples. We shall be looking at number 1 to 7 with the first letter A. This is the name of the letter A. And we have the sound A. Say it with me. A. As in arrow. Arrow. Again, arrow. This is a transcription of arrow. We have number 2, letter B. This is the name B. B. And the sound is B. B. As in ball. We have the transcription here. Ball. Ball. Letter C. Letter C. We have the name C. And we have the sound k, 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 as in cap. We have cap. C-U-P. How do you pronounce? Is it cup? It is cup. We have k, a, p, cap. Number 4, letter D. This is the name D. 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 As in duck. D. A. K. Duck. Okay. We have number 5, letter E. This is the name E. E. That is the sound for letter E. E. As in end. End. N. D. End. We have number 6, letter F. This is the name F. As in fish. Fish. This is a transcription. Sh. The last for today's class is letter G. This is the name G. We have the sound G. As in good. Good. This is a transcription of good. If you have benefited and learned something from this lesson, please do all to like, comment, and share. Thank you for participating.